Welcome to My Kitchen Design Expo, where quality is not expensive. My name is Anthony, and today we're going to show you another big transformation. Before, there was a half wall here that was taken down. There was an island here with a stove that made the kitchen too cramped. So we relocated to this wall while also relocating the electricity. And the previous double oven that was here was moved to this corner to make this kitchen more of an open concept. Of course, we added accessories to make your life easier, because you know how we roll. So we also paid attention to detail. So we added crown molding, light rub molding, backsplash, and we also installed the floors. Amazing, right? I know. So for a free consultation, call us now at 321-444-6210 or go to our website at mkdxo.com.